This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Demonfall in Roblox Mobile. First, make sure your mobile device is ready. Check for at least 3 GB of RAM for smooth performance. Download the most current Roblox app from your store, ensuring it is fully updated. A steady internet connection, ideally over Wi-Fi, is essential to prevent lag. Finally, log into your Roblox account within the app, then search for Demonfall to begin your adventure. Navigating Demonfall on mobile involves intuitive on-screen controls. Use the virtual joystick on the left to move your character smoothly across the map. Combat abilities and attacks are assigned to various buttons on the right side of your screen, requiring precise taps. To talk to non-player characters or open chests, simply walk near them and press the interaction prompt. Managing your inventory and skills is done through icons usually found near the top. To excel in Demonfall, focus on smart progression. Start by completing early quests. They teach fundamentals and provide valuable initial resources. Level up consistently and strategically allocate your skill points, choosing a breathing style or demon art that complements your preferred combat approach. Actively hunt enemies for experience and crucial drops, which are vital for crafting better gear. Remember, forming a party with others significantly increases your chances against tougher opponents and bosses. Experiencing issues like lag or crashes on mobile can be frustrating, but several fixes exist. First, close any other applications running in the background to free up precious device memory. Verify that your phone has ample storage. At least 500 megabytes of free space is generally recommended. If problems persist, try restarting the Roblox app or even reboot your entire device. Always keep the Roblox application updated. New versions often resolve performance bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.